Hey guys, for this video, I'm going to show you how to install OBS plugins in MacBook. So first you want to go ahead and open your browser and you want to search for OBS plugins. Then you want to click on the first link. And this is where you will see all of the plugins that are available for OBS. If you're looking for something specific, you can search for it over here. Then you're going to click on the plugin that you want to download. Then you're going to click on download or go to download. Then you want to scroll down. Then you're just going to look for the download file that is compatible with your computer. And after that, you're going to open the file that you've downloaded. Then it will have this installer, which will automatically install the plugin into OBS. So you're just going to click on continue. Then click on install. Then just close it. Then you can click on move to trash. Now you're going to double click on OBS, then you're going to quit on it. Then you want to open OBS again. Then if you click on tools over here at the top, then click on plugin manager, you will see that the plugin is now available. So that's it. Thanks for watching.